Did you study for that chemistry test?
Oh no, I totally forgot.
Maybe I can help you. I have an A in chemistry.
How can we study when we're at practice?
Look around you, there's elements everywhere. This bottle says H2O.
H2O? What does that have to do with anything?
H2O stands for water. It means that each water molecule is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. In order to understand, you need to know the basics of the periodic table.
See this? This is the periodic table, developed by a Russian chemist, Dmitry Mendeleev. He published it in 1869.
The elements are listed by increasing atomic number. This element is hydrogen. Its atomic mass is right here. Elements are also arranged by periods. Periods go horizontally across the table, kind of like how we tumble across the beam.
I never would have thought of that.
Groups are another way they are organized. They are vertical, like handstands.
The table is also divided into 4 different blocks: the S block, D block, P block, and F block. Just like gymnastics has 4 different events: the vault, bars, beam, and the floor.
The periodic table is split into 3 parts: metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Just like there are 3 different ways to do splits.
Oh, so this is like metals, and then this is like metalloids, and this is non-metals.
First is metals.
You mean like these kind of metals?
Yes, just like that. We win gold, silver, and bronze medals. These are great conductors of electricity. Metals are high in luster and are ductile, which means they can be made into cables, like these cables that hold up the bars.
Metals are located from the left of the table to the right until you run into the metalloids.
The metals have properties like metals and nonmetals, making a staircase. Just think of when we run stairs.
The right side of the periodic table, next to the metalloids, are the nonmetals.
They are poor conductors of heat and electricity.
That seems pretty easy.
That's just the beginning. Here's where it gets a little trickier.
Good one.
As you move down a group, atomic radius increases, like how we move through our line of NME.
So when you go across a period on the table from left to right, the atomic radius decreases?
That's correct! Electronegativity is just the opposite of that. Ionization energy is closely related. It is the amount of energy required to remove the outermost electron. Ionization energy decreases as you go down a group, just like our energy towards the end of practice decreases.
Sierra, I'm gonna ace this test.
No problem.
I was waiting for I'm keeping it together and she's just laughing the whole time. Slay, we did. Stop! Like on those bar thingy. Stop! I never would have thought of that. No!
First is metals, which means they can hold up.
Decreases?
That's correct! Go. As you move down a group, atomic radius increases.